Tuesday, July 30th, 2025. I'm here at the Venetian Condos, and this is a before video of Miss Ashley. Before I go ahead and clean the boat, the zincs that are on it, you have two 1 3/4 inch shaft zincs. You have two 1 1/4 inch shaft zincs that are up here holding the swim platform up. You have two R4 trim tab zincs, and it looks like you have a transom zinc that I'll update in the notes as well. Let's go ahead and take a look at this before video. Look like the running gear is going to be the worst component, so we're going to go ahead and clean it up, get an after video, and we'll go from there.